The Turing test. The Turing test is an advanced yet simple test to distinguish people from machine. It's a way to show if a machine is showing human intelligence without answering the question, which is, what is human intelligence? It was proposed in 1950 by the British mathematician Alan Turing in the form of the imitation game. It's a test or game wherein there's a man, a woman, and an interrogator where the gender is it doesn't matter. They are all the interrogator and the man and woman are in separate rooms, and all the communication is through text. It is the interrogator's job to determine which one is the woman, and it's the woman's job to aid the interrogator, and it's the man's job to deceive the interrogator to make him believe he's the woman. The test is directly set to see if a machine can imitate human behavior, and that could also be unintelligent behavior. If you were to switch out one of the either the man or the woman with a machine, would the machine be able to deceive the interrogator? Throughout the years, there's been multiple interpretations and concepts built from the foundation that Turing have made. An example is the program we daily use, CAPTCHA. It's short for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. It's a test called a reverse Turing test to test if you're actually human. You're shown a distorted image with some text and made out to type it. It is generally used as an online precaution because modern technology is unable to read this.
Machine learning is a type of AI that gives computers the ability to learn things without having to program the data into the computer. Machine learning can help develop and change a computer program when the computer is exposed to new data. Machine learning helps adjusting programs to the people using them by searching through data and looking for patterns created by the user of a machine or computer. The machine or computer then uses the patterns and data to create a better experience for the user. Facebook uses machine learning by looking at what posts a user likes, reads, comments, and shares. Then Facebook uses the data to adjust a user's Facebook newsfeed so that it will create a better experience for the user. Facebook is not the only program using machine learning to adjust and create a better experience for the user. A lot of programs and web pages uses it, and a lot of the times you don't think about it. Spotify uses machine learning to recommend songs to you. A lot of web pages uses cookies to detect patterns created by you on the internet. If you will visit a web page that's selling clothes and shoes, then you will probably see an advertisement for the page on the next page you visit. YouTube uses machine learning to recommend videos and YouTubers to you. Technological singularity is a term first used by describing what we believe is going to happen when we develop a software-based artificial superintelligence exceeding human intelligence, capable of learning and improving itself by rewriting its own code to become increasingly intelligent, eventually becoming unstoppable for humans and causing massive changes in the world we know today. Notable computer scientists would expect that it will become so powerful that it easily will be able to control or wipe out humanity, although they pinpointed that it would be almost impossible to predict the future with an artificial superintelligence in it. It's believed to be made possible by the increasing amount of computing power becoming available, described by Moore's law, at an exponential rate, and we have already boiled our transistor process node down to about 14 nanometers in size, allowing us to create increased computing power on even less space. Many are also against these beliefs, pointing out that no individual can visualize any near future and will never be able to, making the technological singularity impossible. A point was also made that machines only were made to obey and never had any beliefs or desires, which an artificial superintelligence would possess.